But here I got my hands on some model papers for EFLU. बहुत मुश्किल से I got the model papers. So please इसके लिए एक subscribe कर दो, like कर दो. But wait, first listen to me. Don't come blaming me कि मैंने खराब बताया, गलत बताया, okay? Don't blame me. Oh, I got dressed up, I got ready, I combed my hair just for the video. You think so? I need to go for a birthday party, so I just changed my dress. And so many of you asked me to provide you with previous year question papers in the comment sections of various videos, and I told you that EFLU doesn't provide you with any syllabus or with any previous year question papers. But here I got my hands on some model papers for EFLU. It has model papers for all the courses that EFLU offers for BA, MA, PhD, diploma courses, whatever, all courses that EFLU offers. So in the description box, but wait, first listen to me. First listen to me and then check the description box and then go and khatam karo ye video, okay? First of all, I'll suggest you to go through the syllabus of EFLU. For example, if you want to enroll yourself for a BA course, go through the BA syllabus, and in the syllabus you can find on the EFLU side under the name of Undergraduate Handbook. I've given that in the drive as well. For master's course, similarly, you need to go through the master's syllabus. That too you can find on the Master MA Handbook. That too I have provided in the I've provided in the drive. Similar is for other things as well. So go through them, check them out, and then according to that, set your study schedules, set your books, everything. For bachelors, if you're looking for bachelors, don't worry much, because usually they ask you aptitude based kind of questions, है ना? English skills, थोड़ा language skills, थोड़ा basic mathematics, reasoning and all that. And I'm talking about for bachelor's course in foreign languages, for bachelor's course in JMC and similar courses. For English literature, bachelor's in English literature, there is a section in which they ask you questions pertaining to English literature, for which you need to have a certain idea about English literature that you can study. I've told you already the books that you can follow. Pramod Ganayar is the best I can suggest you. Other than that, go look at this video. You will have a very good idea of what you need to do. For master's courses, again, for cafeteria, you need not study anything like that, subject specific, anything like that. You can go for the aptitude test, bank PO kind of question papers. I've talked about that too in my previous videos. You can check them out. For specialized MA programs, I would suggest you to go through the MA syllabus that you can find in the MA handbook that is available on the site as well, but I've also put it in the drive, so you can look at there. Go through the MA syllabus, check them out, see if you have studied it, you have studied in your bachelor's in the same way or not. Check what is different, check what is new, and study accordingly. Set your study schedules, your books accordingly. That is very important, because for specialized courses, they ask you questions specific to the subject. Not too difficult, but quite well. एक ठीक ठाक kind of quality होता है of EFLU entrance, so you need to crack it. Especially when so many people are giving the entrances, you need to be in the merit list. EFLU doesn't release any cutoff, it simply releases the merit list in which you need to be in the top, depending upon the number of seats it has to offer. So for MA Cafeteria, it has 90 seats. So it will release the name of top 90 students. That is it in the first list. And if a few students don't take admissions, then it will release another list, the second list, with that number of students. So this is how it goes. For English literature, I think it has, for all subjects, subject specific specialized courses, it has 30 seats, I think. So it will release a list of 30 students, the merit list, that's what we call it. So you need to study for specialized courses. I would simply say that. And for PhD too, the seats are very limited. That is why you need to first check out the syllabus. Check out the syllabus of the masters. PhD के लिए तो masters का syllabus. Study whatever they ask you there. PhD में you also have an interview. So first you need to crack the merit list and then the interview. Then only you will get admission. But yes, for postgraduate diploma courses too, it's all similar. Now coming to the question papers, the model question papers, I have provided a link to it in the description box. But wait, listen to me first. See, EFLU doesn't provide you with any previous year question papers. Many people in the comment sections of various videos asked me to provide them with some previous year question papers, but EFLU doesn't provide you with. कहीं पे भी वो release नहीं करता. So that's a very big misery. But I somehow got my hands on some model papers of EFLU. But first listen to me. These model papers are just model papers. They are a glimpse of what your entrances are going to look like. So see, I haven't given all these entrances, so I don't know if the questions that are there in the model papers are just what they asked in the entrance. So I don't get into you with the format, with the kind of questions, with the sections, nothing. I don't guarantee you anything on the model papers. But you have my word that I asked people who have given these entrances, some of these entrances, if the model paper resembles the entrance paper, and said and they said that it is quite satisfying. है ना, थोड़ा बहुत match करता है. So for example, I gave MA English Cafeteria and I gave English Literature, MA English Literature. So I checked the two question papers and they were quite okayish. So similarly, I asked people who have given MA, JMC and who have given PhDs, who have given the entrance of BA foreign languages, Spanish or Russian. I also studied Spanish in BHU. I did a 2-year diploma course. So I checked that syllabus for MA Spanish and it was quite satisfactory because the level of questions were quite good. So I would suggest you to go through them, but not think of them as the entrance question paper. They are just the model paper, so look at them that way. Just look at them, solve them to have an idea of what the MA entrance is, what the entrance is going to be like. Don't come blaming me कि मैंने खराब बताया, गलत बताया, okay? Don't blame me. Bas, go check it out and do let me know if this video helped you. बहुत मुश्किल से I got the model papers. So please इसके लिए एक subscribe कर दो, like कर दो. Bye bye. You need to go for the birthday party. Bye bye.